Toyota Yaris or a Mazda key fob battery replacement. So what you want to do is first remove the shank. It's pretty much just like the traditional key part. There's a little notch right here. You lift that up, and while that's up, you pull your key out from the bottom. So you can use your finger, lift it up and pull it out. If you have trouble, you can use a little tool to push that little lever up while you pull this out. Once that's out, we need to take apart the key fob. So there's a little spot right there. You could stick your screwdriver in, or you can go through the sides. The thinner the better. How I did it is I just go in this hole with a bigger screwdriver and just gently kind of go back and forth on the sides, and it'll pop loose. Once it kind of cracks open like this, try not to scratch it. Just work your tool in there to kind of get it apart. Just be patient with it. Once it's apart, we got to take this little black circle part off. Just a little flathead or a butter knife can get on the sides, and you just lift that up. It'll come right up. You can remove that, and then there's our battery. This battery is a 2025. So if you go to whatever store or internet, just get a CR 2025. Here's my replacement battery. So you just put the new one in with the letters facing upwards. Don't worry if it's a little offset. That little black circle will straighten it out and push it down to the circuit board, so you don't got to worry about that. So just push this circle into place, and then it should kind of go in and get snug, and that'll hold your battery in place so all the buttons will work. And then you just put this back on like this. Just line it up. Take your time, just clip it back into place. All right, once that's clipped back into place, we'll just put our key shank back in. Oh, now's a good time to test it out too. It should work. And then your car should start fine too. And then just put your shank back in, and then that's it. That's how to replace the key fob battery on a Toyota Yaris or a Mazda.